Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2003 Ford Expedition that came in and it had some really weird things going on electrically. Sometimes the dash would just shut off, then it would come back on. Sometimes the truck would run really rough and then it would be fine. There was really no rhyme or reason as to what was causing these issues. So we kind of started looking at it. The vehicle did have some rust that we noticed. We started following some of the ground straps to make sure that those are all intact. If you have a bad ground, sometimes that will cause some intermittent electrical issues. As you can see here from the photos, we found the issue was that the ground strap was still okay, but where the ground strap bolted to the body had completely rotted off. We informed the customer what was going on. We said we could probably find a better spot to attach that ground strap, get the vehicle back up and going. They said, yeah, go ahead. Once we got the ground securely attached to a different portion of the body where it was making good contact, all of those electrical problems disappeared. If you have a vehicle that is having some intermittent electrical problems and you're not really sure what to do or where to take it, we are fully capable of tracking those types of things down here at 3D Auto Repair. We'd be happy to take a look at your vehicle and see if we could get you straightened out. So feel free to give us a call and set up an appointment. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so other people can get this information.